Yeah, hi guys.
Ah.
Oh, I like this song. Oh. Oh yeah.
Okay. Oh, did you watch the video?
It's Di, and they're still trying to do homework, and it's 8:05.
Oh my gosh. You're so stupid. Do you have a notebook?
No.
And then write it.
Okay, okay, bye. Look, the sky's like so bright. I don't know why there's a light there.
Where is it? Oh no. Oh, it's happening.
Copying homework. What are you doing?
Oh, yeah, this is something cool.
Okay.
Wait. Hold on. This is me not doing my homework. Oh shit. Fuck. Oh.
Hey.
Oh. There's so much shit in there.
I got yourself to do your English homework.
Stop.
What class do you schedule today? What time is it?
8:10.
Well, just gotta turn it on.
Okay, go on. Oh, I like your hair.
Wilbur, can you please work, please? It's not funny anymore. Come on. Come on now. Oh, man. Come on. How come I can't turn it? Oh, my God. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Are you recording me?
Yeah.
Dude, I love your backyard. It's kind of muddy. Notice how muddy your backyard is?
I'm super hungry. Ew, slushy. It looks like a mystery thing. What?